Hello friends, before starting this video I want to inform you that the voice quality of this video is not that much great because I was recording this video in midnight, so I was feeling a bit sleepy and I didn't check the recording tool which I have is connected properly or not, and this is not the only video I am doing. This topic I will repeat once again, or if you want you can comment me below. In any point you are not able to understand the point, then please let me know in my comment box. I'll make another video as well. And yeah, this is not a complete video. This is only a rough type video, just to give you information. And if I'll see the video gets more views, get more comments on this video, then I'll surely make another video on this topic. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art. This is Rajesh, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to draw babies. So before starting I want to tell you that the babies drawing are not so difficult, but there are some rules which you need to follow to show your drawing as a baby drawing, means baby character. So what are those rules? So first and foremost is that the head should be larger, or you can say gigantic, as compared to other age group like teenager or mid-age or young. So I'll start with the simple drawing and give you the demonstration what I mean. So first I'll draw a circle, and now I'll put a small oval and I'll join like this, and here I will put ear, and nose I am placing it over here. Okay, but generally if I'll draw adult one, in adult the eye line I used to put in the middle somewhere. Eyes will be bigger. Here more things are there, like ears should not be more critical, it should be very simple, only one line is enough. Okay, and eyebrows very less, hair should be there, very less hair. If you want you can put 2-3 hairs. I can make little more big forehead, or you can do one thing, you can increase this head size over here. And erase the remaining, like the rough lines, you can erase it. So in case of adult one or teenager, you can, if you are drawing it like this, see I am showing you the difference. Okay, hair should be there, and see this is different. So if you want to elongate this, means you have to draw the body. I'll show you that also here. I hope you got this point, otherwise I'll show you once more, but let me finish it off with the completion of this body. Okay, the baby's body will be smaller, like it will be two head character means this is one head, and two head means up to here we can adjust. Okay, so here finally we'll finish the body, and see this one I have drawn a letter A I am drawing over here. Like this is the face, I am doing only A, and the legs. Okay, so there's the diaper and legs like this. So here our kid character is ready. If you want you can make him wear some dresses or t-shirt. If you want to, you can do like this, but this is a baby character. If I'll draw with the adult one, then I will put like this. Maybe first of all the head will be not that much bigger, but still I'll show you the difference by drawing this. Even though I made the body little short, you can erase it and make it little elongated like this. Okay, so this is just an example, and I'll erase this difference and I'll draw another one to get I need to tell you some few points. What are things you need to follow? First point is the forehead. Head bigger. Okay. Second, eyes big. People also big. 3, body 2 head or 2.5 head. Okay. Number 4, hands short, hands and legs short. Okay. 5, dress, if you go for only diaper, you can use only diaper or diaper and t-shirt. If I'll add some point over here, 6 years simple. Yes, simple. Okay. And I forgot, actually I'm recovering all the points. 7, no hairs or less hairs. Yeah, this is this I have done, and I'll clean up this and I'll zoom. Simple nose. I need to add one more point. All the things will be simple. It should not be more complicated. Like if you will draw the nose like this, it will not look that convincing. So make it very simple. Only an arc, circular like this. It will be nice. And if you want, you can add some small hairs. Very simple. I used to do like this in other big character, or like this. I think you already watched my previous videos, how I am doing the how I used to do the ears. Okay, so watch my videos to get the idea what I am telling right now. And mouth also, it should not be wide enough like this. It is not good. Very small, cute, like this. The face, it should look circular, and from here you can go. And no need of doing these things. Okay, it's not required. If you want, you can make, but that will be more like a mature person, so it's not required to put those things. But if needed, then you can maximum do very less lines like this. Okay, if required. And here I'll tell you a little more about the body. Suppose I'm putting the neck over here, and neck will be very small, and then shoulder I'm planning. Okay, see, already I have the base, so I'm just working on that. This is the diaper. From here I'll do, see, this is like basically if I'll draw a character, I'll explain you here. Okay, this is the body. I'll do the neck portion over here, and from here I'll do the shoulder. Okay, the shoulder has some volume over here. I think you're getting my point. See, like this. So the shoulder has some volume over there, but here in this case there will be very less shoulder. Okay, and the, like I'm doing over here, the shape like this, then like this, it is not required. Very smooth it should look. And from here, this is the interesting thing and you need to put attention on. From here, how you'll draw the hands. What you'll do, I'll show you here. From here, this is this point, you have to do like this. See, and from here you have to do small fingers. Simple, like this. So this will look like a baby fingers. But this one will not visible that much. Okay, here I'll make some lines to show the chest line, and if I want I can make little belly, because small children have little belly as well, and here the hands will like this. And as I told you, for this also, very simple actually. Or else you can do like that side, it is there now, so you can hide the hand, no issue. For the leg part, generally, but I used to do like this, but here little chubbiness should be there. Okay, I'll show you this portion. And here if you want to add more details, like you can do like this. If you want to add something like tabiz or something, then you can add here, or you can add something over here. So like that you can add if you want, because kids used to wear something like this. Something you can add, because if you'll add accessories to your character, it will help your character's volume for animation. Like if you are doing some animation, then you can find out the neck properly, like this. So neck is there, so you can add something you want. If you want, it will be better for you, or you can do like this. Okay, that was just an example. And yeah, I think you got this point, and these are very important points. I have told you, you should follow this thing to create your own baby character. If you want, I can examples I can give you to, like, how to draw baby characters. If you got my point, it is more than enough, and you can try and send me your drawings to my email ID or to my Instagram, so I can go through those things and I can find out what are the problems you are facing, and I can make a video on that. So that's it for now, and it's a small video, I know, but I think this video will help you in lot ways. One more thing I need to tell you that I'm using some software. As you can see, this is a Autodesk Sketchbook Pro which I'm using, and if you want you can also use this software to draw your character. Now in this software animation can also be done in this software, but this is not meant for animation, so I'll not prefer to do animation in this software. You can use Animate CC. This is for character designing because you'll feel like pencil paper, and you can draw nice drawings over here. So use it, and in my next video probably I'll make a tutorial on this software and what are the tools I'm using. I'll tell in that video. I don't know all of them, but I'm using very few, and I'll explain that also. Okay, so stay tuned for that video, and I hope you like this video. If you do so, put a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are here for the first time. Thanks and take care. Bye bye.